we are at my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with...
Debbie Corona.
Now, what part of the world did you come from?
Southern California, Riverside, to be exact.
Okay, I'm from Temecula, so we are neighbors.
We are neighbors,
Now,
yeah.
what did you come down here? What conditions were you dealing with?
Oh, I was diagnosed with lymphoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and it was a 4. What is it? Anyways, it was kind of traumatic. Hearing that, yeah.
Oh,
and I
yeah.
just I didn't really want to accept that, but, I just...
When you look at any kind of abnormal cell growth, you can look at it as a disease or the body adapting to a toxic and deficient state. Now, what we do, we don't deal with the lack of disease. We literally detox the system, look at physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. But instead of you being so frightened and just saying, okay, doctor, shoot me, drug me, chemo me, you don't have that in you. Where'd you get that strength?
No, I got the strength from God. I believe that, I've always believed that anything that He created, He made for a purpose in our lives. He made the body to self-heal. Like, you get a cut and it heals itself. And where else? Who else can do that except for your inner strength, your inner body does that for itself.
And today was the first day that I was checking your legs and the swelling had gone down. You've only been here, about a week?
Yeah, about a week.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I know, it is cool. And then you did the live blood analysis.
Oh my God, the pre and post live blood, gorgeous blood. I know you like the outside. I was looking at the blood. That's her hubby. He's cool. Okay, so now we do a lot more than just the chiropractic, but you have to get that nervous system to work so the body can regenerate. And then all you do, because we look at the blood, it was in a stress state. We do certain IVs, either detox or nutrients, and do another blood test to see if it's working. Because anything else is guesswork. So you get the body healthy, and then the body can regenerate.
That's right. You know what? This morning I woke up, I was a little bit down. I was down feeling, is it working? Is everything we are doing making a difference? Because I don't really feel it. And those are my prayers, is that I would hear the answer. I wanted to know. And so we did the blood test, and guess what happened?
You see it prettier.
It was affirmation. It was confirmation that it's working.
I'm feeling the legs less swelling, seeing the blood.
That
is kind of nice. But it's been an entire week.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep you posted, because you're going to see. In any type of condition, if you're able to build cells healthier faster than they break down, that's called health.
Yeah.
You break down faster than you build up. That's not good. And what I tell 100% of my patients, any therapy you do that helps your body detox or generate healthy cells is good. Anything you do to your body that damages cells or poisons the system probably isn't good.
Right.
Duh. One of the things, chiropractors don't heal anything. Okay, and that's what one of my instructors would say. And all a chiropractor does is remove the interference so the body can function. And what traditional chiropractic, it's called, we're correcting subluxations. And all that means is a bone misaligned in its juxtaposition from the vertebrae above and below, altering the body's ability to repair, heal, and regenerate. But I was just talking a couple of minutes ago. It's like one of my instructors said, well, Bergman, does darkness exist? And I said, well, yeah, that corner is dark and that's light. And he told me, he says, no, darkness doesn't exist. It's just lack of light. So you can't measure darkness, but you can measure the photons of energy, just like disease doesn't exist. It's literally lack of health. So if you're fighting a disease, it's like trying to correct investments with poverty. No, you restore the health, and then the body self-healing and self-regulating. It's a different approach.
It is a different approach, and one that I believe in. I just think that our bodies were meant to heal, and it needs help. Mine's, for some reason, I thought, why me, Lord? Why me? Because I'm the one who does I look at the health factors of different things. I don't eat the bad seed oils. I don't, do a lot of the toxins. I removed a lot of the toxins. I taken the metals out of my mouth, and now I'm hit with this, and it's like, okay, what is going on? So the 3 stressors, I'm working on those.
And plus, we have oncologists down here that can measure your own antibodies. They can grow your antibodies. We've got detoxing light bed therapies that we can do surgeries. There's a number. So it's not, we're not waving chicken feathers at people.
Oh, I better put mine away.
Now, what can you tell? Because you've already said so much that's going to make a big difference in lives. Because when you get a scary diagnosis, and it's all of a sudden it's like, I don't want to make decisions. I'm going to abdicate authority over my health. Please, doctor, whatever you want to inject or cut, go for it. You didn't do that.
No, I didn't.
Where did you get that strength? Grandma, mom, God?
God.
Okay.
I have to glorify God in all that, and the decisions that my husband, I have to say my husband too, we both believe in the Creator and what he has the ability to do miracles, and that's, and it's not going to be just a miracle. It's going to be...
and it's his job to do it. We have expect miracles.
Oh, there we go.
in every clinic. And I always say, I'm not the miracle guy. I remove the interference and God does the healing. I move the bone, God does the healing.
Yeah, I really believe God placed you in our lives.
Yeah, I'm definitely a servant. Take charge of your health, okay? Be strong, okay? And you're amazing. This is the greatest example. And your hubby is really cool. He's right there.
He's really cool.
God bless you all. No, the world was made for you and you were made for the world.